Hey guys, Cheryl here, and I am making my way towards Highlands and another waterfall when I came across one that is so beautiful. This is as close as you can get to it. You can see I came from up there, from that way is the way that you come from Asheville area. But yeah, you drive over it and you come down here and this is just there's a restaurant here and the road's actually up that way. And it is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can hear the waterfall from here, but it is just absolutely breathtaking up here, up in the Smoky Mountains. But yeah, I am heading over to, like I said, Highlands area, and I saw this and I was like, a gas stop here. It's like Toxaway Falls, and you actually drive over those falls, which is really cool. But you don't see that you're driving over them, and you don't realize what it is until you pull over, not even a block up the road, and you can pull over. There's a Mexican restaurant here. Looks like maybe some vacation homes or rentals or something, that overlook the falls, and it is you can barely hear the road. There's been cars going back and forth, and you can't even hear it, which is really, really nice. And I am hoping to be able to see a lot more today, but we will see what my adventures bring me today, and I will see you guys shortly. It's going to take me some time to get there, but here's the view one more. But yeah, wow. And we will be back. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you what it looks like on top of the Lake Toxaway Falls. So if you go in that direction, it's you're going west towards Highlands. If you go in that direction, it's east towards Asheville, Charlotte area. But here is one side of the falls where it just starts off right there. Sweat River. Okay, now I want to go ahead and cross. And now here is the top part of it. So this is what it looks like. And when I was looking over at it, I was near those buildings, the home right there. I was standing right over there. That's where I was standing to look over at the falls. But yeah, this is the top part looks like. You won't see it because of the way the wall is. When you're driving over it, you don't realize you're driving over falls. But just holy cow. I mean, it's just really beautiful. I mean, you can see how close the mountain is over there to the road. And I want to walk over that way. But I want to make sure I can get over there safely. Oh, I do like that tree. The first flowers on it. Holy cow. It's pretty. I don't know. If you know what kind of tree that is, let me know. But anyway, give me a second. I want to wait for that truck here. Or across. But As you can see, the mountain is like right there on the edge of the road. So that's how majority of the ride is. I'm gonna wait for that car to go by. But I don't want to get too close, but as you can see, most of the road is like that on the drive, where the mountain's like right down the edge on one side, and you get the railing on the other. So that is pretty much how it is here in the Smoky. Just gorgeous, but very hard driving if you're not used to it. It's literally a lot of curves. But yeah, I want to show you that. Hey guys, so I'm still heading up to Highlands, but on the way there, I stopped to pull over along the side, and there's going to be a lot of cars, so bear with me. But I happened to see this really stone wall, and there's a little bit of a water trickling down there, which is pretty cool. And it's got flowers right above it, and it's trickling down, and it's coming down here. And I thought it was pretty cool that I got to see this small little waterfall. It's not much to see, but this tiny small one. And it's going on down, and it's going to go underneath the water, or underneath the road. And I also happen to see this beautiful view that's over there. I don't want to cross due to the fact that there's no safe spot over there. It's just big enough for a guardrail, and it's been too busy to even go by. But I mean, look at that view. Holy cow, it's just absolutely phenomenal type view. And as you can tell, it's been fairly busy car wise, but yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's just so peaceful, so calming with that little bit of waterfall. If there wasn't any cars, I would definitely go over and check the other side. But I mean, look how tall that is. So let me see if I can, okay. I mean, you can see I am standing there, but I don't know if you can get much of a thing, but there's the top. But yeah, so it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to keep on continuing, and keep on going to Highlands. So here we go. Hey guys, so I went a little bit further up the road, and wait until you see this view. Holy cow, this is just absolutely breathtaking, amazing. There is a slight, let me cross over here, but yeah, holy cow, this is Road's Big View. There is a little sign right there. Let me see if I can get closer here. There's the sign. But just look at that. I'm staying as close to the railing as I can get, because of the fact that it is very close to the road here. Not as close as the last spot, but hold on. At least on this side, there is a little bit of room on this side of the guardrail. Last time, and you can see how much room I have. Last time, the guardrail was right against the road, but wow, just breathtaking. Hey guys, so on the way over to the Falls, I came across something pretty cool. It's Bridal Falls, and it is, I mean, look at this. It is just absolutely amazing. And holy cow, that's taking. There's actually somebody. Look at that. It's really perfect. But yeah, that's how big it is. Wow. It is just absolutely beautiful. I mean, it goes down there and goes underneath the water, or underneath the road. Let me see if I can get to over here. But yeah, it goes down there. I don't know if you can see it down there, but yeah, I'm on the other side of the street right now. But wow, just absolutely stunning. Trying to cross her quick, just cross. It's literally, I mean, there's the falls, and then there's the road. So you can see how close it is, and wow, we actually come up here and actually touch it, or get this close to it. But you see there's a slight indication underneath here, but look at this. It is absolutely stunning, and you can actually get a little close. I don't know if you want to, but you can actually feel the mist. You can see stuff hanging down from the sticking down up there. But wow, it is absolutely breathtaking. And getting a little chilly. Of course, I'm wearing shorts. But look at this. Let me see. I mean, wow. There it is. Just so beautiful. And this is on the way to Bust Your Butt Falls, just past Highlands. I want to go back through Highlands to show you the town. I also want to get myself a coffee from there on the way home. But yeah, I mean, look at that. Just, whoa. Just absolutely, just amazing. You can actually come all the way over here, and it's literally on the side of the road. And give me a second here. And there is the sign for this area. Bridal Falls. But yeah, it is. And you can see how close that is, how close it is to the road, and how close you can actually get to those falls. And it's, if you ever get a chance to come through Highlands area, definitely do it. Tell that it's really popular. There's a whole bunch of people here. They're stopping by. There was a person earlier who had a veil, was getting her picture taken behind the falls from some of her friends, or sisters, or somebody that was with her. She was just wearing the veil underneath the Bridal Falls, which is pretty cool. So, but anyways, on with the roads. Hey guys, I finally made it to Bust Your Butt Falls. And if you ever want to come here real quick, just really giving you a heads up, if you get car sick, motion sickness or anything like that, make sure you bring a lot of medicine with you if you need, or if you do get car sick, because there is a lot of winding roads back and forth, up and down. So just keep that in mind. It is gorgeous up here, beautiful. I mean, you can see how close the roads are to the mountains. You know, that's pretty much the whole entire time. That right over here, that's how close it is the entire time. Occasionally you'll get like a side off like this where you can pull over to the side. But now for what, I'm gonna wait for the car to pass, so there's a car coming up. But yeah, for what we came to see, is that. Holy cow. But get down there, I mean, you can see this. And it is, make sure you bring the proper shoes. But you can go down these falls, from what I understand. You can get into the water. And all that good stuff. I won't be getting into the water because it's 50 something degrees outside, even though I'm wearing shorts. Hi. Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Come on, gentlemen, stand it. Got yourself up. Come on.
But yeah, these are Bust Your Butt Falls. I believe you can slide down the falls during the summertime when it's warmer. But right now, there's no way you're going to, you won't even pay me to get into that water right now. Because it's still April, still really cold. And everything. I can't get any closer because unfortunately I brought flip-flops. My shoes haven't arrived yet. They'll be in soon. So hopefully later on we'll be able to go. I might make plans to come back down here at some point. But yeah, it is a nice little hangout. I don't know how fast the current is, but yeah, definitely bring the proper shoes. Like I said, I don't have any yet. I ordered some. The ones I did order, they tore up my foot. I actually ended up with that little mark right there on my foot is caused by the last pair of shoes I got, which is not fun. But yeah, it goes all the way down there. Just such beauty. Holy cow! I wish my best friend was here seeing this. I think he would love it here. But I'm heading back up to Highlands area to check out the town, go get a coffee, and such. And I will show off that little town while I'm there. And I will keep on showing you off. See you guys in a few. Hey guys, I was driving back to Highlands, and I'll wait until you see it on my way back. I saw but I knew there was a lake. But wow, look at that. Holy cow. I knew I saw the lake and I wanted to stop, but then when I got out, I heard the falls. But wow, look at that. Wonder if I can get down there here. Hold on. I'm still wearing bad shoes, but alright, let's get down there. Take a little bit smoother path. I can feel the mist from here. But look at that. I bet you this goes down to Bust Your Butt Falls, because you can see through there where it is, but wow. I mean, this is how close I can get to it. But yeah, it is literally right there on the edge of the road again. But yeah, I don't trust myself going down any further because I don't have the proper shoes. Plus to the fact that you get over this pipe and there's down there, and you can walk down there probably, but it's going to be very, very slippery. And there's just a lake up there. But yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous here. The sun is finally starting to come out. We haven't had sun since yesterday afternoon. We had a lot of rain overnight. Trying to climb back up here. But if I fall and bust my butt, don't laugh. But anyways, it is just absolutely amazing to see all the beautiful things you can see just out of the blue. That's one thing I like. I mean, I enjoy seeing all the, just taking in the beauty of the nature around you, stopping and smelling the roses from time to time. Whew. Slightly out of breath. I've been working out, trying to get better at that. My hair is a mess. But yeah, I am just, that's one thing I love about doing Doordash and being able to do this. I'll be able to travel, see a lot of new places, new things, enjoy what's around me. And I can't wait to see the new adventures. And here we're going on to, still going to Hendersonville. I mean, sorry, not Hendersonville, Highlands. We're going on to Highlands. Hey guys, I'm here in Highlands and I got myself a frozen mocha coffee drink. And it's got it here. See if I can get it there. Got it there. Yeah, Colders. There it is. Got it there. Sorry. And it is a really pretty town. I want to try it now and see how good it is. So good. Much better than what I've had in the past. Very good. It's Colders Coffee Cafe. Very nice. They have a whole bunch of danishes and different types of coffee, from hot to cold to frozen, and wow. But let me sit this down here for a second. Okay, so here's a better view of it, and it is on, and you can see that. So this is the town, pretty much, There's more shops and such up that way. And there's quite a few down the other way, but you can park on this side of the street, in the middle of the street, or the other side of the street. There's a divider. That's the word I was trying to find, divider, between going up the street or going down the street. And they got a whole bunch of different little shops up and down the street that you can visit to. They even have a couple of kids stores that you can bring your kids to. Very, very sweet, very pretty, very like just what you expect to be downtown. And God, this coffee's good. And there's a nice little pizza place, looks like, over there across the way on the other side of that tree over there. It's called the Pizza Palace. They have some expensive glasses in here, bags. I don't know what Earth is. It is, that's something that they have, or is Earth? I don't know, but anyways, let me get little plastic boxes here. They got another little cute little store in here, bags and such. But on the other side, they got like a nature selection. A Christmas tree. I want to go, if I can cross over there. There's a Christmas tree store. Oh, I love myself for Christmas. So I'm gonna wait for the traffic. Be a good girl. Wait for the traffic to go by before I just cross. But yeah, I'm just, yeah. But holy cow. Highlands, Main Street gifts, Earth, and then I'm just taking it all in, just half waiting to cross the street here. Okay, I'm taking my chances now, but oh, this is called the Christmas tree. Okay, so now middle of the street. I'll back up so that way there's a car going. Okay. But yeah, let's see what's over here. That's a natural selection. Oh, look at that. Christmas year round. Oh, I'm trying to push my glasses up here. But yeah. Oh, I love Christmas time. Oh, they get cute little ornaments. Over here. We get snowmen made out of marshmallows. But wow. Oh, those are cool looking. Wow. There's a bigger one right there. I'll take it inside here because I wanted to come in here anyways. And wow. Let's show off some of this stuff here. I'm partly looking for an angel from a mom. Or a gift from my mom. Her birthday's on Saturday, 29th. So Mom, if you see this before then, you didn't hear that. Such... I love Christmas stuff. I'm not too big on the old-timey ones like this. Elf on the Shelf. If you don't know what Elf on the Shelf is, it's a book where you take the elf and you give it a name and you sit it down someplace and it gets its name, and kids talk to the elf, give, you know, make wishes on it, talk to the elf. And every morning when they get up, they gotta go on a scavenger hunt to find where the elf is. And because the elf will, you may put them like sitting on top of there one morning, and then when they go to bed and wake back up, they may be over here inside there. So that's what Elf on the Shelf is. It's a really cute book. Oh, my mom doesn't drink, but she likes bears. Cats. Oh, I'm a sucker for kitties. If I get one, I'll let you know. But oh my god. There's Mardi Gras, right? You know, the faces for drama and stuff. And you get wizardry, of course, Santas. Oh, and there's that. That's a dog. Never mind, that's a dog. I saw the from the back. But oh, and they have a Halloween one. Wow. If you guys ever make it out this way, definitely come in here. And check this out in the other stores, of course. Classic. Of course, classic. Oh. Yeah, these are different. Oh, Australia. You got Belize. You have England. You get Cuba and China. And then, oh, Alaska. My mom has always wanted to go to Alaska. Oh, Germany. My last name is German. I got German in me. It's pretty cool. Oh, and then you get all these different ones. Bourbon Street from oh, I just lost the name. Yeah, Bourbon Street down in New Orleans. There you go. And you get Switzerland, Thailand, Turkey. Holy cow, these are really beautiful. And all these over here. And you get some really colorful ones like that. That's kind of cute. I like the blues. Come downstairs. Oh, look at that. Santa. I guess that's Mrs. Claus on Halloween. Oh. These are really well done. Oh, these are pretty. Look at these. You get that, and then you get those two right there. And of course, you get Santa going over the village. that one's slightly different. And they got Halloween Town. Oh. And then of course you get some for the kids. Oh, if I see Disney, I am hooked. So far, no. I see Garfield. Ooh, I see Garfield. I'm a big Garfield fan. Garfield is my favorite non-Disney character. Is that the Blue Fairy? No, I think those are just regular fairies. I think this is like the Nutcracker Ballet, I want to say. Oh, holy cow. Hold on, I want to see if I can back up here safely. Oh, look. Inside of a Christmas shop. Oh, this is my best friend's favorite time of year. It's Halloween. He loves Halloween. What do you get? Look at this kitty. Oh my god. Oh. I got Elvira. Holy cow. And then you get a little less traditional, the mermaids. Yeah. Oh. Black cat. You got cats here. It's a very beautiful store. So this is all, there's more like seahorses stuff. But yeah, definitely, if you can, make it out this way. But, what's over here? I got the mangers. Oh, I may get something like this for my mom for her birthday. So, anyways, I'll be back shortly. Drinking my coffee slowly. But yeah, I want to keep on looking around. I am seeing so many different things. I definitely want to check out those angels from Mom. And all this other stuff. Whoa, I can spend a while in here. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this town. I gotta get back towards the car soon. I brought my dog with me. And I will show him off in a little bit. But yeah. And I will be back soon. Maybe. It's hard to do this one-handed here. There we go. Hey guys, I'm still here in town. The wind has picked up. I finally left the store. I couldn't decide on something that I really liked that was in my budget range, because right now my budget's slightly tight. But I wanted to show you stuff that, this is right over there is a old Edwards Inn spa. Let me go around the pole here. But look at that building right there. It is pretty cool looking, and it is just amazing. And that's just one building. I'm trying to go on the other side of the poles here. But yeah, look at that. I love the stonework. I love the whole atmosphere of it. And then over here they have Highlands Inn since 1880. And I can't get a good look at the buildings. I always have to be in the street. But yeah, there is, you get two stories, it looks like. And there's a goldsmith and another shop on two corners right there. But yeah, you check in here at the Highlands Inn. Really nice. They get a whole bunch of rocking chairs here out front. and it's just really, really pretty. And then right next door is a place called Kelsey's Place Restaurant, and they don't look like they have a menu out. But and they get, you know, oh, that is so cool. A little alleyway between the buildings. But yeah, they have celebrating their 70th year. Open 5 nights, bar and diner from 5 p.m. Closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. But yeah, Paulietti, something like that. And but yeah, I mean, this is all just still part of Highlands, where I recorded was just on the other side of the stoplight, down, just, you know, down that way. And I had parked up here on this side over here. But the dry sink. Anyways, yeah, we're talking about going to back to my sister's house over in Charlotte area, or near Charlotte, and celebrating my mom's birthday there. But look at this, just to see how big it is. I mean, you can see my hand compare. I mean, look at this. Look how big that is. You can see my coffee mug right there. But that's a 16-ounce cup. Just give you a reference on how big this is. But, wow. I wish I could have a fire pit like that. But anyways, I'm heading back to my car because the wind has picked up. It's gotten chillier. I mean, in the sun it feels great. But if you're standing in the wind, it gets pretty chilly. My car is here, right? Yeah, it's on the other side of the green Jeep. I'm like, I don't see my car. But that's a nice, I think that's a church. Yeah, that's a church. But I like the building. And dude, my car needs a new paint job. Joey? Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. And this is my dog, Joey. Oh, so he is, sorry the car is a little messy a little bit, but I need to clean it. But yeah, he is a, oh, what are those dogs called? The Queen's dog. He is, I can't remember the name, but yeah, you know, the Queen's dog, or what she had. He's part that. He's got a mix of him with that kind of breed in him. But he's been such a good boy. I gotta get him some water when I get done with this. But yeah, he's been really good. And when we first got him, or when my parents got him first, he was, he had been abused, pretty badly. He didn't trust anybody, and he kept on trying to get adopted by multiple different families who didn't want him because he kept on nipping at people, biting people, growling, and all that kind of stuff. He just was a handful. And my parents got him, and he had bit them a couple times, and they almost took him back. And they decided to go ahead and keep him because he's been, he'd been adopted and returned, and then what they were going to, when my parents were going to give him back, they said that my parents are pretty much the last people because of how many times he's been returned. if they return they're going to be putting them to sleep because they've been struggling to find any way to keep them. So my parents decided to go ahead and keep Joey, and work with them and everything. And for some odd reason, when I finally came, and I first saw him for the first time, he was inside the car. So I wasn't expecting anything good. And I've always had a fear of dogs. And of course, when he saw me, he growled and barked and tried getting at me through the window because he was trapped inside. You know how dogs are. If they feel like they're trapped and like there's somebody coming at them and all that kind of stuff, they get protective. But then when I finally went to my parents' home, when COVID hit back in 2020, I moved in. He met me and somehow grew extremely attached to me, fell in love with me. He noticed that I was still fearful of him, but I've had bad experiences with dogs, very bad experiences. Just between having dogs bite me when I was about 5 or 6 years old. I have I was about 5. My babysitter was walking with me and my younger sister. She was pushing my younger sister in a stroller, and I was walking alongside of her just down the middle of the neighborhood street, and some neighbors' dogs came running out of the home. We were at the neighbor's house, walking past their neighbors, and when the dogs came out of the following house, came running over to us, chased me, and ended up knocking me down onto the ground, onto the street, trying to bite me, freaking me out. I was 5. I was freaked out. And the babysitter and a couple of the neighbors who happened to be outside saw what happened, had to come over and grab these dogs off of me. Luckily, I wasn't injured, just scarred for life, emotionally, for it. And yeah, and ever since then, I've had bad issues with dogs. I've had I think they were Rottweiler size, or those type of dogs, if I remember correctly. But they were Rottweilers, I think. But yeah, very scary. So they weren't small dogs. They weren't huge dogs. I've seen big dogs. But they were regular sized, medium sized dogs. And so I've had some major scary issues with dogs. So that's why I have fear of them. And so I was extremely shocked when Joey got attached to me. I guess he noticed my fear of him when I was doing everything and all that kind of stuff. And so yeah, and so he kind of attached himself to me, and ever since then he's been wanting to be with me and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that is one crazy thing. I mean, I've always been a cat person. My best friend says I was a cat in a past life, because when I say certain T's and D's, I tend to roll my R. I don't roll them on the R's, because like I can say let's see, like butter, I can say fine. It's always on the T's. I don't know. There's no R there. But yeah, it's just absolutely nuts. So yeah, it's just crazy and how much he's attached himself to me, and every time he hears my name, he hears my voice, he gets all excited when I come home from work and everything, and he's in the car wanting to go ride with me. But it's pretty cool. But anyway, so sorry about my rambling. I'm excited. I don't know how often he's going to be coming with me on my trips. I will try to take him with me as often as I can, but it just all depends on how much time and where I'm going and all that kind of stuff. So, and I'm pretty sure I better get going because I'm holding up a parking spot for the people who have been driving around here trying to get to finding a parking spot. But oh, wait, hold on. That's a pretty church right there. Let's see. There's a pretty cool church. Anyways, and there's more town right there. There's also a Mountain Fresh grocery and pizza. And then we have a realty station here. But yeah, it is really cool, nice little town. So anyways, sorry for the rambling on and the semi-long portions of it, like in the little Christmas gift shop. But thank you for joining me and all that kind of stuff. I hope you enjoy, come with me on my adventures and see the things I get to see, and I'll show off as much as I can. If I see anything, I'll let you see them and bring you along with me. Don't forget to put kindness out there. I love you all, and I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. And yeah, mwah. See you guys later. Love you. Hey guys, so I was driving home and I had just gotten done with my video. This is a little bonus, but I was coming from up that way, going that way, and I happened to see this. I don't know what it was, but apparently it's all burnt down. But yeah, something was here that got burnt down. There was some stuff there. I didn't see it beforehand, but yeah, this was just, holy cow. I just happened to see it and came back. I guess it was recent, so I still haven't cleaned it up, but I still don't smell any smoke or anything like that, so I'm guessing it's recent, as in like the last couple of months recent. But yeah, so I was coming in from that direction. I didn't see it because it was behind this stuff right there, and so I didn't see it until I was going home. But wow, just it's kind of sad, you know, to see this. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was it looks like maybe a business of some sort with all the metal and stuff like that. I mean, that looks like an old fence or something. But yeah, it just looked like maybe an old store, maybe a home. But if you know what those metal plates are, or what they would be used for, I don't know. But if you can let me know what that would be for. But yeah, it's just kind of sad to see something like this. I hope everybody was okay and safe. I'm hoping that, you know, everybody got out okay, and it only happened like in the middle of the night or something when no one was there, if it was a shop. If it was a house, I was hoping that maybe it happened during the day when no one was home. So, but yeah, it's kind of sad to see, but at the same time, it's kind of cool to see. You don't get to see something like this every day. But at the same time, my heart goes out to whoever owned this right here. So I am guessing it's a business of some sort, because there looks like some type of old markings on the ground where you can see, like right here, you can see that there's used to be paint, you know, and this looked like a parking lot of some sort, because that's why I'm guessing it's a business. But yeah, the entrance to go down beyond the other side of that tree, you went down. But yeah, this looked like more like a parking lot. It could be something else, but you can definitely smell the wood chips. I'm smelling wood chips. That definitely smells like that. But anyways, so I can tell you that's fairly new, wood chips. But yeah, so I'm guessing it's a business of some sort. Anyway, so yeah, that's a little bonus for this video. So hope you enjoy. Love you. Mwah. See you guys later.